Another video. Today we have a crazy deal from Hart. They're throwing but you're getting free batteries, 4 amp hour batteries with a tool and a charger for $99. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Hopefully everybody's having a great start of the weekend. Alright, so we got Hart 20 volt max 2-pack 4 amp hour batteries, a choice of tool, $99. Alright, so we got two 4 amp hour batteries, as you guys see here. We got a drill driver kit, battery not included, so bare tool. And then you got a charger, a fast charger accessor. I don't know if this is a fast charger or not. I never been into the Hart line, but if you guys are DIYs, if you guys want to drill for the house, you know, you obviously got your professional grade drill for the work. Alright, anyways, so you go edit bundle. Once you go to edit bundle, you can go down here and select the bare tool. You can select the 1/2 inch drill driver kit. You can select the 20 volt cordless impact driver, battery not included. You can select the random orbit sander. You can select the Hart 20 volt cordless arbiter jigsaw. You can select the reciprocating saw, the hand vacuum, the Hart LED with the flashlight, or the inflator, the digital inflator. I'm going to go ahead and select the impact driver, see if it'll let me, and we'll go from there. Let's see here. Alright, so we got it selected here. Hart. I guess we have to remove one of these. Edits. So edits. Edit bundle. Oh, it's not letting me. Oh, there it is. It's not letting me. Alright. So this is selected. Alright, I unselected that Hart impact driver. Alright. Continue. Hopefully it'll let me do it. Oh, there it is. It took it a while, but it worked. So yeah, there it is, guys. I'll leave the impact driver link to the impact driver link down below in the description section of this video. Be sure to check it out. This is still a great deal. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.